Welcome back, guys. This is Alcoholic Endeavors, and today we are going to be making a pineapple upside down cake shot, which I wrote that down as upside cake shot. So that's awkward. Anyways, let's go ahead and introduce our ingredients that we will be using now. You're gonna need pineapple juice, some type of vodka. You can use Smirnoff, you can use Absolut, you can use Everclear probably. Devil Springs, preferably something that doesn't have like a flavoring to it. You might be able to get away with like maybe white rum, or I wouldn't recommend tequila. Maybe gin. I would go with like something like that. And let's go ahead and get down to it. I don't feel like shaking most of these things up because I'm lazy. It requires ice. I didn't bring down any ice. All my ice over there melted. Unfortunate. Anyways, we're just gonna wing this because yeah, stupidity, I guess. You need an ounce of vodka. Again, I'm just stirring this. Whoops. I'm just stirring this in because I'm lazy, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get a half an ounce out of pineapple juice without spilling it everywhere. But you know what? I am willing to try. I'm not gonna succeed. Oh yeah, no, I'm not gonna succeed this. Oh, I succeed. I dropped it everywhere. Only I dropped it. It wasn't as bad. It's fine. Everything's fine. I was expecting it to spill out all over the floor, and then I have a whole thing to fucking clean up. It's not worth it. So I'm just gonna use this slightly clean bar spoon and just give it a nice little stir here. Again, recommended that you have ice, but I don't have any ice on hand right now, so just gonna pour that in like so. And then you're going to attempt to layer on Grenadine, but it's going to sink to the bottom because it's a very dense liqueur. So it should, in theory, make like an orangish, reddish looking type of shot. Like so. It required only like 0.25. I went a little overboard, but it's like, okay, so you need, I don't think I explained this in the fucking drink. God, I'm so stupid. You need an ounce of vodka, you need a half an ounce of pineapple juice, and then you need a quarter of an ounce of Grenadine to make this shot. So, bottoms up, I guess. Not my most favorite shot. Yeah, not my favorite shot. Honestly, it's not bad. I think, in my personal opinion, I don't care for like the taste of pineapple juice as much as most people might think with all the pineapple juice recipes I might have made. That's probably because there's a lot more flavors of other stuff in there. But I can definitely taste a lot of the pineapple juice. You can definitely taste the burn. Excuse me. Ooh, excuse me. Sorry, I've had a lot of shots already tonight. Because I dedicated tonight to be the shot video. Not a good idea, but I did it anyway, so here we are. Yeah, I can taste a lot of the pineapple juice. I can definitely feel the absolute vodka, because that's 90 proof. Or, sorry, 80 proof. I thought it was 90. Oh yeah, it is only 80 proof. Sorry, 80 proof. I thought it was 90 proof. And to be honest, I would add a little bit more Grenadine because I like it a little bit more sugarier. Yeah. Ooh, I got like 3 more of these to do. Anyways, yeah, it's not horrible. If you're a big pineapple juice fan, or like pineapple in any way in general, I'd recommend this to you. I'm not one of those people, apparently. But yeah, so that is the pineapple upside down cake shot. I would have never guessed, honestly. It's an interesting one. A very simple one, actually. Give it a try out.
If you like that, go check out my other videos. We now have a Discord link down in the description. If any of you guys have a drink or shot recipe, leave it down in the comment section below. Give me a like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you all next time.